Our client, a leader in the steel sector, is at the forefront of the process of digital transformation, having tools that allow it to take the next step in the path of Industry 4.0, allowing systems to decide and act autonomously. For this, we develop smart agents, virtual and autonomous software entities to which we can delegate a set of activities to achieve specific goals. They have the ability to collaborate with people and systems, learning during the execution of tasks. They can help us solve a wide variety of day-to-day activities, such as execution, monitoring, activation, and control. They can even support us as virtual assistants by making recommendations. Let's think about the case of the transfer of roles to continue its process on another floor. Here, an agent appears to help us meet this objective. While capturing the data of the environment, it executes the actions required in the system for the role to reach its destination. It has the capacity to make the necessary decisions and meet its goal, adapting to the changes that may arise. If it finds a problem, it interacts with the actors capable of solving it. For example, if the role was held, it could activate a dictamen before generating the transfer order. If a solution is not found, it can delegate the task to a supervisor agent or alert a person. Once the problem is solved, the agent will automatically perform the remaining tasks to ensure that the role reaches its destination. The knowledge acquired is not lost. It is stored to be reused by other future agents. So, we can say that the agent is composed of sensors, which, like our senses, allow it to capture information from the environment, brain to make decisions and learn continuously, and members that execute the tasks. Imagine a floor full of agents that simplify the routine administrative tasks daily. Our client, a leader of the steel industry, continues to advance in the process of digital transformation and in the Industry 4.0.